Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat on a phone. So here I've already opened my Gmail on my phone, and to find the Google Chat, you just need to click on this tab. Okay, this chat icons, and this is the Google Chat on phone. And to add someone on Google Chat, you don't need to add specifically. Actually, you just need to chat the person that you want to add. So here, click on new chat and just type in the name, the email's name of that person. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this person's right here. Click on the email's name. So the chat will be open like this, the chat tab. And what you need to do to add them is just send a text, send a message, click on this and then send it to your friends. And after that, the conversation will be here on your Google Chat here, history chat. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.